Understanding PubMed, a gateway to medical research. Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into one of the most important online resources for medical and biological research, PubMed. Whether you're a student, a researcher, or simply curious about scientific studies, PubMed is a crucial tool for accessing credible information. PubMed is a free database maintained by the United States National Library of Medicine at the National Institutes of Health. It provides access to millions of citations and abstracts in the fields of medicine, healthcare, biology, and related disciplines. When you enter a search query, PubMed brings up a list of articles related to your topic. Each listing typically includes the article's title, author information, journal source, and a brief abstract summarizing the study. If the full text of an article is available, PubMed will often provide direct links to the publisher's site. Sometimes articles are available entirely free, often in PDF format. This allows users to download, save, and print the articles for offline reading and annotation. Access to full-text PDFs is particularly helpful. You can highlight important points, add notes, and review the content in a way that suits your learning or research style. PubMed also offers powerful filters. You can refine your search by publication date, type of article, like clinical trials or reviews, language, and more. This ensures you find the most relevant and recent information available. And the best part? PubMed continues to expand and update its database every day, making sure that you have access to the latest research and discoveries. Thank you for joining today's session. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you next time.